Hello guys, hope you're doing well from wherever you are. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about exporting attribute table from ArcMap into Excel for data analysis. So just open the map and then click the add data button in order to add data into ArcMap. Then just navigate to the folder that contains your data. So for my case, if I open the attribute table and look at this data, I have the field ID, the shape of the file. The division name is just an administrative boundary. It talks about the administrative boundary or the divisions in a county that I'll be exporting the data. Then you have the total population of that particular area. You have total area of each division in that particular county, and have another column for population density. So what I'm going to do is just to export this particular data into Excel, and I perform some analysis. So in order to export this data into Excel, just the top left corner, click on this table option, and then just choose export, and need to choose where you want to store your data, and I'm going to create another folder. So this is where I want to store my data. And then before you give your data a name, you need to change the type of that particular data. So you need to save it as D-base table and give it a name. Kitui population, because you're dealing with the Kitui County. It's one of the counties here in Kenya. And just click save. Then click OK. Do you want to store the data in the current map? No. So you can just close down the attribute table. Then from this point, I don't think we need ArcMap again, so just minimize that, and I'm going to open the folder, and here you have the data that I've just exported. So in order to view this particular data, just go ahead and open the Excel. So then just click on this blank workbook, and here we need to open that particular data, but we need to specify the type of data. So just go to file, then click open, then you browse to wherever you've stored your data. Mine is a desktop. So before anything else, you need to specify the file type, and ours is exported in as D-base file. Just choose D-base file, and just click on the file that. So here is our data. So you can just choose to do some cleanup. Lastly, population. Like that, and then it's important to give, because these are the headers, just use, give it a bold, and give right click that, highlight everything, and then let's make that to 4 decimal places. I think 11 is too much. And then I'm going to do the same thing for population density. Just highlight, then right click, and under numbers, just double click and then type 4. Now we have clean data. So this data is actually in DBS. What we need to do is to export as Excel file. In order to do that, just click on File and click on Save As. Then navigate to the place that you want to save your data, and under the Save Type, just click the down arrow, this particular down arrow, and choose the Excel workbook, and then give it a name, appropriate name. And I'm just going to leave mine as it is, then just click Save. So now you have your data in Excel. So that's how you export your data in Excel, and we can just go ahead and do some analysis. Just highlight the, we want to visualize the population of different divisions in this particular region. So just highlight the central and the population. Go to insert tab. Then you can just use any chart that you feel like. You can just decide to choose 3D clustered column like that. You can also create a population density. Just click on the first division, then drag down, then just click and hold down control button, then left click and drag on population density, and just go back to insert again. This time round, and let's do pie chart, but it doesn't look quite good. Let's go back to let us just choose another. Let's choose that, and we can decide to change a few things. So guys, that's how, basically that's how you export data or attribute table from ArcGIS software into Excel and use the data to perform a few data analysis. So this is just a beginning. I'll be doing more of this particular such videos. So stay tuned. Kindly remember to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like and have a lovely time. See you in the next tutorial.